Hi guys, Dr. Benjamin Ritter here, internal leadership coach. And in this video, I want to talk about the one thing that you're probably doing wrong when it comes to setting goals. Okay, so you set some goals. You have like a list of things that you want to accomplish and do, and that's awesome. But wait, why are there like 10? Why are there so many? Where are you going to start? And that's the mistake, guys. People make too many goals. I get it, like as long as you have something down that's good, right? You started somewhere. But you don't know where to start right now because you have too many things on paper. When people start planning, they maybe get overzealous. They want to accomplish a ton of different things. And so they make a list of everything they want to accomplish. But then that list becomes a source of stress and anxiety. And every time you don't make progress on that list, it creates more stress and anxiety. And so the thing now that was the thing that you wanted to do for yourself to reach great things is now a source of conflict and stress and negativity. So here's my suggestion. Take the list of goals, crumple it up, throw it away. Forget it. Make a new list, okay, of one thing. Is that really a list? I'm not sure. Pick one goal. Break it down. Break it down into some smaller goals, some things that are more targeted, things that you can actually do right now. And then you can start working towards it. You have something to work towards instead of a list of things that you wish you were working towards. You're going to be thankful for it. Your mind's going to be thankful for it. Your life's going to be thankful for it. You'll feel so much better. And I'm not saying forget about the other goals, but I'm saying focus on one right now. Just one. That's it. And let me know how it goes. Write it in the comments. I read and try to respond to everything. If you like this video and want to be alerted of more, just subscribe to the channel. Hit subscribe right in the corner. And if you like this video, give it a like. Okay? And most importantly, guys, never forget. It's the purpose of everything I'm doing right now. And that's keep on living for yourself.